Dialogue Writing by Learning Bees, a new video series. This is the first video. Let's begin. Hey sis, look at that mushroom over there. It looks so interesting, doesn't it? Wait, don't touch it. Don't taste it. Why not? It looks perfectly fine to me. You can't just go around tasting random mushrooms. Some of them could be poisonous. Poisonous? Really? I didn't know that. Yeah, it's true. Remember what mom and dad told us about being careful in the garden? Oh, yeah, I remember now. Thanks for stopping me. I almost made a big mistake. No problem, little bro. That's what big sisters are for, to keep you out of trouble. Haha, yay, you are the best. Let's go find something else to explore sometime safer this time. Agreed. How about we look for some flowers instead? Sounds like a plan. Lead the way, big sis. That's all for today, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.